Getting some guidance from the monthly chart on gold, I'm very curious about this large monthly cup and handles pattern. I slipped my mouse there a little bit, but cup and handles pattern that has come after a move up. This strongly suggests that this move right through here, or this level right through here, is going to be broken. When that's going to happen, I don't know. Anywhere in this area can happen. But I want to start fishing for signs that things could be turning. And is that happening now? I don't know. But when I see a pattern like this, and this is the GLD, when I see support that is running through here and it didn't hold the break here, and now we have a trend line touch today, I start looking at things and noticing things. And if I look at the GC, continuous contract, I see that you can see here that I have it all divided up into auction zones, a very clear line right through the middle. And the question is are we bouncing and are we going to head up and break out? I don't know. But I noticed something interesting the last few days is if I look at this chart, I see a 3-day drop, basically a 4-day drop. But if I move this out of the way and look at GDX, GDX has been going up for 3 days, basically. And so when I see that, I go, I don't think that that's small money. I don't imagine day traders and small money going against the trend on gold when gold has been dropping fairly decisively. So it makes me wonder what this is about, and it makes me want to be involved. So I took a long trade here at this arrow. These other arrows just ignore, they're from old trades. But I look at this and I find it very interesting, because if I look at breakdown and start looking at some of the smaller, the individual mining companies within this ETF, I start seeing some patterns within them that look very like something might be ready to break out. Here's AU, couldn't hold the break here, right here. Now moving up, are we going to get a breakout to the upside? If we look at our Royal Gold, let's see, RGLD, the pattern there is suggesting that possibly we're going to be, we make a slightly higher high. Are we going to break this trend line and move up? Is there a trade right there? That would be a great individual trade if it happens. How about Newmont? Newmont has got a bottoming pattern. It couldn't break this, and it couldn't even break this, and now it's moving back up away. Are we flattening out with all of these patterns, and is there something transitioning here? Is it possible that something is going to is developing here? I don't know. But with the GDX trade, my strategies are to take very small nibbles at key zones like this, and it will not cost me hardly a thing to find out if this little zone running through here is going to hold and we get any more out of this. I will be out of this trade tomorrow if it falls back to 28.75 or 80. And so we'll see. If gold is going to bounce and the buying that took place here that got my interest this morning is going to amount to anything, then I'll find out with very little money. And if there is something to it, I might very well be rewarded handsomely for it, but we shall see.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. If you enjoyed this video today, please feel free to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. And if you'd like to trade along with me every day, looking for trade ideas, studying charts together, check out the link below to the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.